Need dey for person to practice any skills wey e learn to ensure say you dey properly equipped with the knowledge of the skill you learn. Chairman Egor Local Government Council Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia give this advice to youth wey join for one 3-day skill acquisition empowerment program wey shele for Egor Local Government Council Secretariat. Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia congratulates the participants wey seize the opportunity to learn and equip themselves with the free skill acquisition program and say e no reach to just collect the paper certificate but make them also practice wetin dem learn.
Yes, you have been given certificates for participating in this program. To me, you participated but you did not conclude. For me to be really sure that what you did, you know what you came here for, you need to write an exam. How do you write the exam? You share yourself in groups. Then, in each of the group, you have a leader. Do you understand? Then you now practice what you been taught. So that if you decided tomorrow to go and do it and start selling, so you don't do the wrong thing. Because I don't want to show where you carry the certificate about and say, oh, I learned it in the local government council, there was an NGO that came there, this, that, they taught me, but did you practice it? You need to have that exam, please, for your own good. But if you're not ready to do that, fine. You can carry your certificate anywhere you want to carry it to, but it will not help you if you don't practice it. So that if you make mistake, why produce it? Whoever that came to teach you cannot tell you no. Do you understand? When somebody else is coming to do a thing like this, you enroll yourself again to learn more. Because chemicals are things that you don't play with. And if it's not mixed properly, something can go wrong. If you know you cannot use it in your house, don't mix it and sell it outside. You have to first of all mix it and use it at home. Practice it first without the children being there. So that if something is wrong, you can quickly rectify it. But you can only rectify that mistake when you have practiced it by the facilitator. Is it not? So I heard that you guys have finished your program and you have been given a certificate. But the question I asked, were they in groups? Did they practice it? Did they, they said no. I said no. You need to, please.
Secretary to Egor Local Government Honorable Egbe Ogbemudia and Facilitator Romeo Osaitin contrary salute to Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for her support wey to make the program successful and come also check out on why them organize the skill acquisition program for youth for Egor.
Just did the certificate presentation for the Waterside Foundation training. It was a 3-day skill development program for youth across Egor Local Government. This became necessary because we realized that a lot of young people are out there out of work, but the unemployment problem is also tied to our lack of skill, right? You're only demanded in employment when you have capacity to actually deliver value for organizations. We thought it very critical to train our young people on different skill sets that they can apply to become valuable to themselves and society. We did paint making, we did soap making, we did bleach making, izal making, and these people are able to even meet the needs of their immediate environments and their spaces. We hope to connect these people to mentors and brand developers that will help them be able to come up with these products as actual products that can chart a course for financial freedom for them. As entrepreneurs, there is no limit to what you can achieve. You are the one that sets the limit to your vision. So we are trying to encourage these young people to get involved, for them to learn, to expand their mind and to get motivated to do more so that we can have a prosperous Egor Local Government. With the enthusiasm of the young people I have seen here today, it's obvious that very soon, once we continue with the project, we have so many skilled young people, and unemployment to be a thing of the past in Egor local government.
So what we are doing here is all about empowerment, is youth engagement program, whereby we engage youth, we expose them to different skills and ideas that they can engage themselves in whenever they are less busy, or maybe whenever they are thinking of skill they can actually use to produce money, so they can actually pick one or two to engage themselves in. So that's why we put the program together. And you can see today is the last day which we actually did the presentation, and everybody is happy with their certificates and all. Even before now, some already started producing, you know, to show that they are really happy with what they have learned. The team has been very wonderful. You know, they actually show us that they are people to work with. And you can see we didn't do the program without appreciating the council. We actually presented the certificates of merit award to Madam, which is the council chairman. We also presented it to the secretary, which is the council secretary. Why we did it? Because to show our appreciation for the acceptance and all that, for seeing the importance of the program, for seeing the reason to approve it, and for approving it. So the council, they have been doing a great job, and I really want to say thank you to all of them.
Some of the participants constitute mouth on their experience and what did they learn for the program.
I want to send my thanks to Waterside Foundation as well as Egor Local Government Council for this great opportunity to be able to learn these admirable skills. Right now, I can boldly say that I will never be broke again, because I was able to learn how to do multiple soap, Izal, hypo, paint, and the rest of them.
Thank you to Egor local government for these great opportunities that is given to us corpers in learning this skill acquisition. I'm very grateful for this great opportunity. I look forward to more of this.
I learned a lot. There are a lot of things that I wasn't aware of before, so I learned a lot. I learned how to make the multipurpose soap, the bleach, the apple, and the one that blew my mind was just the paint making. I love it. It was super. I want to tell the local government, thank you, and the Waterside Foundation, thank you.
For the end of the skill acquisition program, the Secretary to Egor Local Government, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, and the Supervisor for Youth and Sport, Honorable Moses Osaruwe, say, come present certificates to the participants. Make una not forget, say, as we see them, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Egor Local Government area of Edo State, Eghe Ogbemudia, TMC TV News.